Let's ride Top Thrill 2 front row at Cedar Point. And with the extreme heat we've had this week, it was basically a walk-on, and they were running all 3 trains.
Attention.
All right. Let's go. Blue train. It's not too busy in the stands today. Too hot. It just melts to death. All right. Let's go. Oh, it's worth it for the breeze. Here we go. Woo! 100 miles an hour. 100 miles an hour. Oh, yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Oh. Let's go. Let's go. Insane. Only 420 feet. Woo! 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 Oh man, it's cooking today. It's worth it just for the breeze. It's for the air. Oh. Woo! Oh.